Want to start a YouTube channel? Unsure how to make a beginner's friendly intro? Say less, I got you. But before jumping into this video, I would appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. And if you follow me all the way to the end of this video, please make sure to leave a comment for a chance to be shouted out in the next one. Now without further ado, come on with me and let's go. We'll be starting off with our PixArt app today. And from there, we'll be going into our cutout tool, taking our time to slowly cut out the photo that we'll be using today. Once we are done using that cutout tool, we're going to hit next, and then we're going to fully highlight only the picture that we'll be using, not the background. Here I'm just showing you if you feel like it is easier to black out the background, you are able to do so. But me, I like it just like this. That way I'm able to see what I am fully cropping. This is a very tedious part of making your intro. So on this cutout part, you just want to make sure that you are taking your time, guys. Slow and steady does win the race, okay? And you see how perfect that looks? We're just going to want to save that now. We are going back into the PixArt app. And I just want to go into the photo just to still make sure, everything looks good. That's how I want it. Nothing's in the photo that I don't want there. Okay. Now I am going to choose a background color. Me, whenever choosing my background colors, guys, I do like to customize and, just try to pick a unique color that comes to me. So that's what you'll see me doing here. After finding a background color that catches my eye, I am then going to save that and head back into my gallery to select the cropped photo that we worked on prior to selecting a background color. Now we are going into the shape cropping tool that I'll be using today, just showing you that you can use a heart or any other shapes if needed. In my case, I'm using just a circle today. Once I get to the size that I like, I'm just going to adjust my border to the size that I wanted. Then I'm going to proceed to make me a customized border color. In my opinion, adding a color to the border does make the picture pop, but that's just me. After saving the photo, we are going to go back into the PixArt app, making sure to choose a green or blue background color. This will work as a green screen, allowing us to add any nice effects to the background of the photo that we just created in PixArt. Then we're going to save. Leaving the PixArt app to now go into the motion portrait app, we are going to insert the photo that we just created in PixArt. Here I'm just adjusting the eyes and mouth as needed. This will allow your eyes to blink and your mouth to move in a photo, guys. Now I'm just making sure that this looks good, everything looks okay, the eyes are not blinking like crazy. And once everything looks good, I'm just going to hit that record button and save. Going into the iMovie app, here I'll insert my YouTube template as well as my motion portrait. Before inserting my motion portrait, I just want to click the three dots and make sure that I'm hitting blue and green screen. This is why we wanted our background to either be a green or blue color before fully getting out of our PixArt app. Now I'm just going to adjust my motion portrait picture to pop up on cue with my YouTube template. After getting that adjusted the way I want it, I will be adding my intro background music. You can even add your social medias down below if needed. After completing that, I'm going to hit done and I'm going to preview the beginner's intro that we just made today. Once I see and hear that everything looks and sounds good, I'm just going to save that on the highest quality possible. Now I'm going to be leaving iMovie and going into my photos just to make sure that the video actually saved. I want to thank you guys so much for sticking it out with me till the end of this video. I would appreciate it if you gave it a big thumbs up. And here is our new and improved beginner's intro.